Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to have some cool fun learning how to draw and color the yummy ice creams. It is super easy. First, draw the ice cream. Draw a long rectangle with a rounded corners at the top like this. Now draw stick and now add some strips for different colors. Very good. Now draw a classic ice cream cone. Start by drawing a V shape for the cone. Draw some wavy shapes for the ice cream. Very good. You did it very well. Now add some diagonal lines. Very good. Alright, our drawings are done. Now for the fun part, coloring. Let's choose yellow color for the cone. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. And don't cross the lines. Very good. And for the scoops, pick your favorite colors like pink, orange, brown. We use red color here. Very good. Now we use sky blue color. A very cool color. Excellent. Then we use orange color. And in the last we use brown color. Like this. Now we color our second ice cream. We use pink color. Very good. Try to stay inside the lines. That's good. Now we use parrot color for the second strip. Very good. You did it very well. Excellent. Then we use brown color for the stick. Like this. Again we use pink color for the remaining part. It is very nice color. Very good. Your ice creams are ready. Allah Hafiz.